Greetings, Dennis Daniels. This is part 2 of the Android Studio Setup Wizard. Took some time, but it did finally load. Now we're going to see what it does. This is Android Studio 3.2.1 on ubuntu 18.04. And we're going to start a new Android project. Just see what happens. And we'll call it Whack-A-Mole. And company domain name, I don't have one. And I'm going to include Kotlin support. The package must have at least one separator. I don't know. Oh, right. Okay. One separator. So change that. And click next. Alright, so API 1.5, I get everything. I don't know what that is. Android things, no. Next. Okay. I don't know what instant app is. I don't know what instant app is, so I'm going to remove that. Next. 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 Finish. Finish. Let's see if anything is showing up in my terminal. Nothing's showing up in the terminal. Create new project is blank. Okay. Oh, look, I got something here. All right, I just got some warnings here. And Android Studio is back. Loading project. Curious to see how much. All right, my CPU is running full 100% here, so that's part of the reason why it's so slow. That and Chrome is a monster. You can see how much Chrome is taking up, but Android Studio is way up there as well. Let's see, and it looks like it loaded. Oh, well, almost. It's syncing services, Gradle.org, distributions, and let's just do a sanity check. Android 3.2.1, all right. So it's going to download a bunch of stuff here. I don't know how long it'll take, so I'm going to pause. Actually, I'm going to quit out and just say that the Android Studio does work on Ubuntu, at least so far. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.